Boulting Environmental Services was founded in 2002 and has since gained an enviable reputation within the life science and pharmaceutical sectors for the delivery of new research, development and manufacturing facilities. BES excel in design and construction of clean rooms, laboratories and other sophisticated environments, providing a full range of services from front-end design and consultancy through to construction, commissioning and validation. Our highly experienced design teams utilize technical skills and knowledge to develop innovative solutions which meet all regulatory standards. Using the latest Revit software, BES produce detailed 3D models of every facility for review with customers. As a multi-service company, we deliver efficiency by providing fully integrated, cost-effective solutions. We have strong in-house resources in all major disciplines, including architectural, civil, structural, HVAC, mechanical, process utilities, and electrical services. The enthusiastic and dedicated project teams deliver fully coordinated solutions which provide clients with all the benefits of a one-stop shop. BES are recognized for our ability to complete the most complex of projects on time and within budget. Working as principal designers and principal contractors, our close coordination of work packages and attention to detail at critical interfaces enable the successful delivery of a wide spectrum of projects, from new builds on green or brownfield sites to refurbishments within existing operational facilities. We use our enormous construction experience to full effect in providing accurate costs and realistic programs at the earliest possible stage. BES implement comprehensive safety and quality management systems which ensure legislative compliance and encourage continued improvement. Our uncompromising commitment to health and safety resulted in an excellent track record, which means choosing BES really is the safer choice. We provide a full commissioning and validation service, including the execution of DQ, IQ and OQ protocols. Careful management of the transformation between construction, commissioning and validation helps ensure regulatory compliance and brings the facility into beneficial use as early as possible. What sets us apart from our competitors is an open culture which encourages lateral thinking, as well as our desire to challenge the norms and deliver truly innovative solutions. Responsiveness and a commitment to customer care run through the heart of the company, and the clients find our proactive approach and can-do mentality refreshing. The culture of the business is to exceed your expectations, and regular repeat business from blue-chip clients is testament to the exceptional services that BES provide.